Hello everyone from Node 101. Today I'll tell you about Andromeda and at the same time I'll show you how to install the testnet node on the server we rented, in the easiest way using the script we prepared. Andromeda protocol is a decentralized blockchain project designed to offer a range of services that can be utilized across various sectors worldwide using blockchain technology. The project is designed as a layer 1 blockchain and operates in conjunction with its own cryptocurrency Andromeda token. Andromeda protocol offers a range of services that can be utilized in various sectors. For example, it offers services such as payment processing, asset tokenization, data sharing, and trading. These services enable users to securely conduct their transactions using blockchain technology. In conclusion, Andromeda protocol is a layer 1 blockchain project that offers a range of services that can be utilized across various sectors. The project services can be securely, transparently, and efficiently executed using blockchain technology. Now, we go to the node installation stage. We are looking for Andromeda protocol from the search section of our official website. After the page opens, we can see the server information we are going to rent from the requirements section. We scroll down the page and copy the command we prepared for you from here. We log into the rented server with /root. We paste the copied command and press enter. Here we enter any nickname you have specified. I'm stopping the recording until the installation is complete. You can see the logs of node using the green command written at the top. As you can see, node is working. That's all I'm going to tell you in this video. I wish you all a good day.